You know, only in the microcap space you can be offered value multiples of the price, and people are like, I don't care, I don't want to hear it, it's not real. So now we have a third valuation report. And you know what Warren Buffett says, value is what you get, price is what you pay. So first, recently we got on Sharone. Sharone received an independent valuation of 61 million US, right? While the market cap is 9 million Canadian, which is like 7. So the valuation is almost like 10 times, right? You're getting the value 10 times. Nobody cares. Only in the microcap space. Then you have Oracle, which recently announced the value or net present value for its project. And in that press release, they had a sensitivity table where if the copper moved up, the net present value of the project increased. So now copper moved up by more than 20%. That value now is like somewhere here, somewhere in the range of $3 billion, okay? $3 billion, and the market cap is 100 million Canadian, right? The 3 billion is in the US, and this is Canadian. So that's company number 2. Again, only in the microcap space. Now we have, yesterday, Arrowhead published valuation on Aduro yesterday. And they upped their valuation. Arrow is updating its coverage on Aduro Clean Technologies with a fair price value bracket of 3.9 to 5.6 per share. Okay? What's the stock price as I'm making this video? This is also Canadian. So 137. So let me take the average between 5.6 plus 3.9. The average is 375, right? And the stock is 137. So value 475 divided by price 137 is almost 3.5 times. Nobody's gonna care tomorrow, or what? This was released. This was released on the 20th. So today was already a trading day. Nobody cared. Nobody cared. But you know, I think there's only 2 things, or let's say 3 things, because it's always 3 inches in front of people's face. Only 3 things that will matter for Aduro. We already know that they have more than 6 multi-billion-dollar companies, 6 that have been announced. But recent interview with Eric Appelman, he said there's more than 6 multi-billion-dollar companies. And whether they add another one, it won't matter. The thing that will matter, I think, is if one of those clients turn into collaborators. I think this will make a difference. Until then, it doesn't matter if somebody comes up with a valuation that's 100 times per share. Nobody will care. Because that's the microcap space. Nobody cares. Like, none of these valuations are real. They think they're just made up. And they don't like money. Like, you see, in the microcap space, it only matters if you make money in NVIDIA. You see, when you make money in NVIDIA or GameStop or any of these big names, then you can actually take that money and buy yourself a car or a house. But if you make money in the microcap space, it's like monopoly money. You can't use it to buy things, right? That's what people think. So one thing, I think a collaboration would make a difference. Second thing, I think if they change the exchange, and in a previous video I said Aduro, Oracle, and Sharone, they are trading on Ghetto Exchange. So the only thing that would matter if they change the exchange. So collaboration, exchange, or an announcement of a buyout. That's it. Everything else doesn't matter. But only in the microcap space, you can have it printed with neon signs and that the value is multiple times the stock price, and people don't care.